I was disappointed in the argument this morning when Mr. Morton used the words he was shocked and surprised at the judge's ruling last week. The shock and surprise that I heard today was Mr. Morton calling Mr. Carballo, and I wrote it down, despicably criminally negligent. What's despicable in this case is that the government continues to pursue Mr. Carballo. He is assumed innocent. He's been innocent all along. And now we have a ruling from the court that he is adjudicated innocent. So to come to this courtroom and say that he's despicable is out of bounds and an abuse of prosecutorial discretion, which should not be endured or entertained. Shame on them. And what they owe George at this point in time, this is a guy who's been at this for 5 years and has been adjudicated not guilty. And they're still calling him despicable? They're despicable. And what they need to do is apologize to Mr. Carballo for what they've done to him. That there's insufficient evidence for the case to even go to a jury to be decided as a matter of law. They haven't presented enough for a reasonable jury to conclude guilt, so I'm taking it away from them. And I'm instructing the entry of a judgment of acquittal and a judgment of dismissal.
Non-elderly, helpless patients that were confined to the bed that was paid by professional people to take care of them and seemed like nobody's going to be responsible for their death. Looked like they died in vain. If you're old and elderly, you cannot take what a normal person can take. They should have took those patients out days before they took them out. They didn't even take my daddy out. They found him dead in the bed. So they can't blame that on him being transferred because he was found dead in the bed.